Hello and welcome back. Super excited to share another healthy living video with you. If you hate drinking plain old boring water, you're in for a treat because I will show you how to add some life to your water so you can drink more water to help you reach your weight loss goals faster. In addition, I am going to answer the question, does lemon water help you to lose weight? If you're new to the channel, kindly consider subscribing by clicking on that bell and also turning on notifications. For the vitamin water, we are going to need a lemon, properly washed, orange, and then grapefruit. And of course, you need the water. I've already filled up water from the fridge in this jar here. You can use still water or you can use carbonated water, but for this one I'm going to use the still water. So to make the vitamin water is very easy. I'm going to slice the grapefruit. I will need 2 slices of this, 3 slices of the lemon, and then 3 slices of the orange. We'll slice everything up and then just dump it in the water and let it sit in the fridge overnight, and then you consume the next day. So lemon water is a beverage made from water mixed with fresh lemon juice. That's how simple it is, and it can be enjoyed either hot or cold. Sometimes people add things like ginger or other types of citruses like I am doing in this recipe. This type of water is often claimed to have various health benefits ranging from improving digestion, enhancing focus, to weight loss, and it is a popular part of many diets. The question is, does lemon water help you to lose weight, and why should you include it as part of your wellness routine? Let's talk about a few reasons why. Lemon water is low in calories, so if you're drinking lemon water instead of other higher caloric beverages, it could help contribute to weight loss. Number 2, drinking lemon water can help you stay hydrated, especially if you do not like drinking plain old boring water, and it helps you stay hydrated, which reduces water retention and may help increase fat loss. Number 3, studies actually do show that drinking water could increase metabolism, and it does that by increasing mitochondrial function and thermogenesis. So drinking lemon water may boost your metabolism. Number 4, lemon water can make you feel more full. When you feel more full, you do not eat as much, so it can help decrease caloric intake, which leads to weight loss. Number 5, some studies suggest that drinking regular water or lemon water could increase weight loss regardless of diet or exercise. So in conclusion, guys, lemon water comes with a lot of potential benefits, from promoting hydration to increasing satiety. However, guys, note that all of these benefits come from its main ingredient. Guess what that ingredient is? Water. Just water. Lemon water does contain some additional nutrients from the lemon juice, such as vitamin C and antioxidants, but the main ingredient that will help you with weight loss is the water. So if you do not like drinking water, then add lemons to it, but make sure that you're staying hydrated and eating a calorie controlled diet so that you can lose weight. I hope you will try making this vitamin pamplemousse, as I call it, because it has that taste of pamplemousse but without all of the sugar, and it will help you drink more water so you can be healthy in general. And if weight loss is your goal, it can help you stay full so you achieve your weight loss goals faster. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not go without leaving a thumbs up. Drop a comment. Let me know if you're finding value in some of these videos. I would like to hear back from you. And also drop a comment. Let me know what you need to hear from me to help you with your wellness journey. Remember to eat and drink things that also love you right back. Until next time, stay healthy. Bye-bye.